Welcome to the CPAP Shop's YouTube page. The ResMed AirFit F40 is an ultra-compact, full-face mask that combines high seal performance with comfort in a flexible, easy-to-use design. Learn more about this mask and how to fit it properly to your face in this video. This mask is made up of several parts, including the short tube that reduces drag and moves with the patient as they sleep. The quick-release elbow makes it easy to connect and disconnect from therapy when needed. The mask frame is very compact and sits below the eyes, designed for minimal contact and to reduce facial marks. For additional comfort, the frame is covered by a soft nylon fabric padding. This full-face cushion features AdaptiSeal technology to provide a soft silicone seal that adapts to each user and remains intact all night. The quiet air venting integrated into the cushion provides a more peaceful sleeping environment. The headgear has 4 adjustment points, 2 upper and 2 lower, to simplify fitting and use. The magnetic clips located on the bottom straps easily snap on and off, even in the middle of the night. The upper straps are equipped with Velcro tabs to help users find their unique customized fit. The AirFit F40 is best for those who want a small, lightweight full-face mask with minimal contact with the face, those who sleep on their side or move around while asleep, those who like the convenience of magnetic clips, and those who want the stability and seal of a universal fit in a minimal design. To disassemble the mask, squeeze the side buttons on the elbow and detach it from the vent ring. Then, gently pull the cushion stud out of the frame stud hole and repeat on the other side. Next, pull the lower headgear straps away from the magnetic clips and undo the tabs on the upper headgear straps. To reassemble, use the Velcro tabs to insert the top headgear straps back into the mask frame. Then, place the cushion back using the studs and holes on each side as a guide. Reattach the bottom headgear straps and gently plug the short tube back in. Your mask is ready for use again. To fit your mask to your face, start by placing the cushion under the nose. With the ResMed logo facing up, pull the headgear over your head. Next, bring the lower straps behind your ears and attach them to the frame using the magnetic clips. Use the Velcro tabs on the bottom straps to adjust them to your liking to achieve a snug and comfortable fit. If you have any questions, the CPAP shop would be happy to help. Give us a call today at 866-414-9700. Thanks for watching.